The medical science is a wide field of science which lay the foundation of medicine. Medical science covers many subjects which try to explain how the human body works and how we keep our bodies healthy. This specialized field ultimately focuses on the care of the two most important elements, the patient and health.
Medical technologists or medical laboratory scientists are scientists in the healthcare field who collaborate closely with other medical professionals. They study biological samples in order to determine and treat certain illnesses. These highly skilled individuals are responsible for gathering different samples like urine, blood, tissues, or cerebrospinal fluids, and many others. They will perform examinations to learn more about them in order to record results and then formulate a diagnosis.
They'll also closely examine the cells found in parasites, bacteria, viruses, or other microorganisms. A primary duty of most medical technologists who study these samples is to locate any abnormalities. Once they discover them, these findings will be reported to the doctors or physicians and other medical professionals to review. Many medical technologists are in charge of keeping the laboratory stocked and organized, such as maintaining the quality assurance of the laboratory. The practice of medical technology is dependent on the application, purpose, environment, and setting in which it is applied.
You have nothing to fear, my fellow medical technologists, because after you graduate this 4-year bachelor's degree, you have a lot of options in your hands as to how you would want your career to flourish in this field. You can take a master's degree in several specialized subjects in medical technology. You can proceed to medicine and work as a pathologist so you can build your own laboratory, or you can also be part of the academe, such as college professor, if you have the heart to teach aspiring medical laboratory science professionals. If you had dreams of working in the humanities field, with your degree, you can be a detective who's an expert in forensics. You can also be a lawyer, a psychologist, or even participate in humanitarian works like the Peace Corps, for example. Aside from that, if you want to enhance your skills in medical technology, you can work as a phlebotomist who is an expert in drawing blood and administering shots, a cytotechnologist, a histotechnologist, a toxicologist, or a nuclear medical technologist. And no, this isn't about making nuclear bombs if that's what you think. A nuclear medical technologist is someone who works alongside nuclear physicians in practicing radiation physics, using radiation devices, and administering radiopharmaceuticals. Lastly, if you have the interest and skills in research, you can also use your degree as a researcher in many fields such as epidemiology, biology, molecular medicine, and infectious diseases, whose studies can contribute to the development and innovation of medical laboratory science.